going on. I picked up a box of these Teks fasteners, sharp point lath screws, 3/4 inch long. What I have is 3/4 inch material, plus on the caster, the flange is going to it's going to back the screw out effectively. It's almost 1/8 of an inch thick on this plate. And so up here is an example of where I've run one in and just attached it, and then I loosened it up so I could, I think, align it. It's twisting a little bit. Well, not twisting very much. But anyways, the nice thing about this fastener is it has a built-in washer head. So I don't need to find little washers that are big enough to fit in there. I can just put these, and especially if I favor one side of the hole, if I'm out here a little bit and then I'm farther away here, that keeps it snug. Okay, so this is it. Let's see, a moment of truth, see if it's magnetic. So it just seats on there, and just try and keep it steady, and then just take your time. Just like that, it's attached. So I got to throw 2 more in here. But that's, again, the nice thing with these washer heads. It just goes in there. I don't have to fiddle with finding a washer, and if it comes loose, it doesn't jump all over the place. So, nice and quick and clean. Nice thing about an impact driver, a lot of power, pretty fast to drive the screws too. Just like that, my caster's attached. Okay, one more time in real time. Let's see how quick it could do a whole caster set. There's one. It swivels, so I didn't really need to loosen it up and straighten it out, but it's my OCD nature. So I'll put one here. Other side. That felt a little loose. All right, it's on there. Okay, so I've got my screw kind of started in here. I'm going to show you how long it takes to do this in real time. There's one. There's 2. Well, there's 3. Give him a bit back. And there is 4. Done just like that. Back porch. It's a little snug, but I'm going to see what I can do. And if we end up using this footage, I'm just going to show you how quick it is to set these casters into plywood with these Teks fasteners. One way to fix the problem that I'm having with the bit pulling out is to use one of the shorter fixed bits. Plugs right into the tool, but I'll figure it out. Oops. So I'm doing 2 of these. I find they're really handy to have a smaller size for really large pieces of furniture, so I don't have to have a really massive solid top cart. They even worked well for moving a bookcase that I had. I had some like this. They're a little smaller, but same idea. Actually, I'll hop over here. A little different angle on it. After I get my bit back. If you go really slow, these have a really fine tip. And so just pushing them down a little bit into this softer plywood. Let's go a little slow. They drive pretty easily. Oops. That's the last set here. Just got to remember to wiggle my driver. Just wiggle this side to side and then the bit won't pop out. Oops. Last one on this board. And that is a done deal. Okay, so here they are. As long as you're using 3/4 inch material, the 3/4 inch Teks, where'd they go? Out of there. Ugh. The Teks, better results. I'm happy with the results. So these fit pretty much perfectly with those washer heads right into these caster holes, which tend to be oversized holes. I think they're usually meant more to have bolts run through them. But at 3/4 inches, these were perfect. There's nothing going through, no points. And so, yeah, these were a terrific time saver. I just had to basically point and shoot with my little impact driver. And now I have a furniture dolly, or a pair of them. Took less than 20 minutes. And they're ready to move some big stuff.